Welcome back to 1969 teardrop restoration. As previously I show you some machines, some sanders. Today I'm gonna try to work on those with this machine. I'm gonna try to work with those areas which are less accessible by the rotation sander, like those corners right underneath the hood. Okay, so I was looking for the sandpaper. As you know, I like to stack as much possible, but I didn't have those little triangles. I do have it, but the grit is 80 grit, 100 grit, 60 grit. I'm looking for something like 300 grit to not to, shave or sand too much of it. So I went to the local hardware store. Actually, I went online because all those places are basically closed. I didn't want to make any special trip to the bigger box store. So I went online and I checked the prices. 6 of those things in a little plastic package cost around $9. 6 of those. Okay, so I came up with the idea. So this is my regular Velcro disc. Okay, that's the one I'm gonna use right now. So I make imprints. Okay, so from this one disc, which cost $1, if you buy the package like I do, 25-50 in it, it's even cheaper. So from this one 6-inch disc, you can have actually 4 of those. So sounds like a deal, 25 cents a piece. So basically whatever they're selling for $9, 6 discs, 6 triangles should be $1.50, but it's $9. So I already cut one. Okay, so it's, as you can see, it's right here. It's a Velcro. Perfectly fits on this little unit. Okay, right here. Okay, and we're ready to go. I'm using the electric one right now, but I just don't want to switch to this machine, which is Milwaukee 12 volt. It's even better. It's actually variable speed. Okay. And this machine will work perfectly on this part, but I just, I'm just too lazy to, to switch this attachment with this little triangle. Why do it if I can use the electric if I have it right here at the hand? So I'm gonna work on those parts around the window corners next to the molding. So I'm gonna use this triangles to do this job. So I want to show you right here. You can see, and I'm working kind of with this pointy thing. You can see the residue of aluminum and dirt and grime. This part kind of, it's not used, but what you do, you later take this out, okay, and you kind of switch. So this part is nice and sharp, so you can still go in and working. So this thing, it's kind of halfway circle, think like that. So it's not possible to work straight on the surface. This tool is designed actually to work only with this part, pointy part. Okay, So whatever this piece of paper right here, it's gonna get dull, you rip it off and you switch. Okay, very nice. So we already did the camper with the 320 grit sandpaper rotary machine. Okay, right now the next step is 600. Okay, so we're gonna use those discs. Okay, 600. Recently I purchased the brand new sander from Pro Finisher. What I like about it, all my friends which are in a car business, painters, body shop garages, they're using this company. It's a Pro Finisher. So like I said, I purchased recently this machine. It's a Velcro, very nice, very light, very ergonomic, easy to work with. I used to have a couple of those, but you know, I like the toys, so you know, once in a while, you know, I change you know, the tools. Previously I was using this machine. You know, it works, rotates, spins, you know, sands, so you know, but it's heavy. It's probably, I will say, maybe 8 pounds. So if you're working, multiplying times, you know, doing back and forth with this machine, you can gain actually some muscles. With this machine, it's a brand new, it's durable plastic. You remember my previous show, which I show you how to bend the piece of pine molding, which is I will say it's a 2-inch, quarter-inch thickness. So this stuff basically weighs that much. Okay, so compare to this machine, which actually is gonna weight that much. So in my opinion, this is at least 8 to 9 pounds. This one is not even 2 pounds, so probably pound and a half. It cannot be anymore. So anyway, so let's see what this machine can do for me. Okay, I'm using this one for the first time. Okay, make sure I'm gonna put in this nice and even. Yeah. Okay. So this is my 600 grit paper. Compressed air. Okay. So for the 320 grit, I was using the diesel to take the grim and dirt from the panels. With the 600, I'm gonna use the stainless steel cleaner and conditioner. I put this liquid in this bottle so I can actually kind of like squeeze it all over the place. Okay, so it's very inexpensive. It's a stainless steel cleaner and conditioner, and let's see how this is gonna behave. 600. Let's see with the closeout how this actually came. Okay, so as you see, this is 320, so we see the marks, you know, this is not dirt, this is the sandpaper imperfections, okay, when we were sanding. And you see it's kind of like you see those marks, okay, but all those marks was everywhere, and they are still, but this is the finish with the 600. So all those imperfections are actually gone, and this is only beginning of our sanding. As you see, the aluminum is nice and clean. It has a texture. That's how the aluminum should look. This is, you know, still oily because I'm using the stainless steel cleaner and conditioner. And when I'm gonna do the whole camper with the 600 paper grid, after 600 the 1000 it's coming, so it's gonna even became nicer and smoother, okay. But like I said, this is the finish we really looking for. There is no any veins, no any marks, so this brand new machine, the Pro Finisher, works perfect. See you in a while. It's gonna take me probably with the roof and all sides around, probably I will say maybe hour 15 minutes. So see you later. Check my next video, because I'm gonna show you the tricks which nobody showed you before, and I tried it. I'm willing to try different techniques, different chemicals. So, you know, I'm not gonna put you in a dark alley. So please check my video, which is gonna show up probably within a couple of days. Take it easy.